Have you ever felt like your room is just missing that wow factor no matter how much you decorate? The secret weapon you might be looking for is right above you. The ceiling. Ceilings are a place most people don't think about, but they can totally change the room. You wouldn't wear a plain white top with every outfit, so why pick a white ceiling for every room? Hi everyone, I'm BaiXu, an architect with a passion for beautiful home designs. Today I want to talk about a neglected element in our home, which is the ceiling. I mean, it has the same surface area as our floor, yet most of the time it goes undecorated and underused. In this video, I'll be sharing ideas on the type of designs you can create with your ceiling, how to pick the perfect color based on what you want to achieve, and what to consider if you want to make a very bold statement. First, painted ceilings. A pop of color on your ceiling can add visual depth and energy to a room, making it feel more inviting and interesting. Reflective surfaces. Mirrors, high gloss paint, and metallic finishes can create a glamorous and modern feel. This can be particularly effective in smaller rooms, where you want to enlarge the perceived amount of volume your space has. Bear in mind that too much shininess in a room can be overwhelming and feels unnatural, so use strategically. Maybe the metal can be slightly matte, and maybe the mirror can be textured to create a vintagey effect, yet still reflecting enough light. Another idea is wallpaper. Wallpaper can transform your ceiling into a beautiful focal point. This option works particularly well if you already have crown molding. You can opt for a classic floral print or go bold with modern geometric designs. Exposed ceiling beams can make your room feel more rustic and architectural. They can draw so much attention to the height of your room, but it might not work so well for very low ceiling spaces, so keep that in mind. The last idea is very labor intensive, but it can be very interesting. Texture ceilings. Textures like rope, bamboo, wooden planks add visual effect and dimension to a ceiling. It's a great option for making a space feel very unique, but it's important to consider the overall style of the room. The color you choose for your ceiling can significantly impact how tall the space feels. Lighter colors tend to make a space feel larger and airier, while darker colors create a more intimate and grounded atmosphere. So here's a helpful guide to keep in mind if you do decide to decorate your ceiling. If you want to make a room feel taller, opt for a paint color that's several shades lighter than your wall color. And if you have a very high ceiling and you want the room to feel cozier but bring the space down a bit, consider a darker color. Deep jewel tones can add drama, intimacy, and for an even more dramatic effect, you can bring the paint color down a few inches onto the wall to visually lower the ceiling line even more. If this content was interesting to you, make sure to subscribe so you can stay updated on all my other design videos in the future, and you might want to check out some of the other videos that are popping up on the screen right now.